Shut, your PlayStation's here! Safe!
A few moments later.
Yes, I'm one of them niggas. I'm one of them niggas who paid 800 double the retail price. I'm one of them niggas. And in case you thought I was lying about the price, I'm finna add all the AMP and be like, can I join? Cause I got the PS5 by any means possible, baby. A lot of people are real skeptical about buying a PS5 off of STOCKX. Understandable, but not me. But not me, man. The only reason I took the chance and bought a PS5 off of STOCKX is because they get sent to a STOCKX facility and authentified before it even gets shipped to you. So I knew that if it was legit, STOCKX was verified and I could get my money back at any time if it was fake. I just threw away 800 bucks for this PS5, bro. Some people, like, you may look at me like, this nigga's an idiot, bro. He spent 800 when it's gonna be 400 for everyone real soon. Well, my guy, you don't know that. You think it'll be 800 for everyone soon, and maybe it will be, because it's been a while past 20. Oh. A little backstory, I'm gonna keep it quick. I have tried to get the PS5 at least 20 times. Minimum. At least 20 times, bro. I got sick and tired of competing with thousands of people like me trying to get the PlayStation. Competing with thousands of scalpers trying to make a profit on the PlayStation. And I know me buying this PS5 off of STOCKX is supporting the scalpers. I know that. I'm not retarded. I know that. But supply and demand, bro.
What?
That's what all I can say, bro. Supply and demand, bro. Like, to me, this is not just a game, bro. To me, this is an investment. One of the biggest motivators for me spending that 800 on this is because of YouTube. I've been a PlayStation all my life. I recently switched to Xbox to play with my friends. I'm back home, baby. Anything I just... Oh my god, I'm finna cry. Got our power cable, you know what I'm saying? Got our charging cable. I don't really know what the hell this is, but I got another HDMI cable. I really hope that I don't cry. The moment of truth. Let's just do it, bro. Let's just do it, man. Let's just do it, bro. I got it. Hey, this gonna be on my channel forever, like, cheese, nigga. Shadow Clips finally has a PS5. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it up and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the interface. We're just gonna walk through. We're gonna walk through this bad boy together. This is our PS5, okay? All 123 of y'all. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Join the anti-social, man. Videos coming every week, and I'm really finna go ballistics. Like, I got this bad boy now. I'm finna go ballistics. Ratchet and Clank playthrough.